Hi, this is Sandy Leva, and this is an Accelerator website support video. I want to share with you how to get into Semrush. Semrush is the app that we use to monitor your SEO rankings, your search results. Where do you come up in search? You can see the view that I have, and we have quite a few projects, all of the clients in here that are pro and up, that are on the Pro and Up web package. So just using one of our websites, acceleratornewsletters.com, what I need to do first is I need to share this domain, this project with you. So if for some reason I haven't done that, please email me or reach out and I'll be happy to share this with you. Once I've done that, you're going to get an email in your inbox that says, from the Semrush team, that says you're invited to Semrush project. So let's take a look at that email. Purchases, that's the email we use for all of the vendors. Would like to share, and your domain would be here. Read permission. And so you can click on this link, or what I need to do, because I need to do it in a guest browser, is I'm going to copy this link address. I'm going to open a guest browser so it doesn't mess up my own login to Semrush. And once I've pasted that in, this is what I inevitably get. So you don't have an account yet unless you've already set it up with us. So what you'll need to do is go down and click the Register Now button, and then you'll need to use the email address that that I invited you, to where you got the email from Semrush, and then you're just going to create your own password. All right, hopefully that'll work. And it'll create an account for you. And then once it does that, you'll be able to go in, you'll see your project. All right, so we got to go confirm our email. All right, let's go back over on the guest browser, and there is my projects. All right, so you should see your domain. All right, and so I just wanted to share with you how you would get into Semrush. So you may want to bookmark this and remember your login and password, because you're going to want to look and see what your metrics are on a regular basis. All right, and I will do another video that explains these metrics, but I just want to make sure that you guys know how to log in. All right, thanks, bye.